Hi, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Sussman Machinery Wuxi Company. It is specialized in research product development of all kinds of metal roll forming machines.
The main products of our company is all kinds of metal roll forming machines, such as roof wall machine, CZ pulling machines, floor deck machines, cable tray machines, shutter door machines, light guard frame machine, workboard scaffolding plant machine, guardrail forming machines, upright rack and stamp beam machines, drywall machines, PU sandwich panel line, and other customized requirements. This is our cold working area. In the cold working area, the worker will cut and weld the machine frame.
Now we can see here is our melting machine workshop.
The melting machine will make a deep process in this part to make the rollers and shafts in the shape you want. This is our assembling area. In the assembling area, the workers will assemble the machine from parts into a unit strictly, according to technical design and international standards.
This is CU stock trunk drywall roll forming machine.
The stub size is 90 mm and the thickness is 0.6 mm. This machine can make 6 sizes, for example like C stock 38, 64, 39, U chalk 39, 65, and 90. The finished product thickness is from 0.4 mm to 1 mm. This machine will be finished at the end of the month. We will test them later. We also can provide customized products. We all can meet your technical requirements. If you are interested, please contact with us. We can see here is our metal siding panel machine. The finished product thickness from 0.3 mm to 0.8 mm, and weights are 400 mm to 1 meter. The weights adjust automatically by motor and PLC. This machine's petrol is cast iron and drive by chain. We also install the mesh safety cover. We will paint first and ship it.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.